Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to IronFX webinars. Can you guys hear me so far? Okay, shall we start? Again, welcome everyone. Before I start the webinar, so today's live trading section. Okay, if you have any pair or any assets you want me to have a look for you guys, you can just send in the request. Okay. Disclaimer first. This information is not considered as investment advice or investment recommendation, but instead a marketing communication. Okay, and risk warning. Trading Forex and safety carries significant risk to your capital and is may not suitable for all investors. Okay, and please do your own due diligence before you guys trade. Okay. The speaker for today, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader. All right. Okay, a quick look on our news today, Thursday and tomorrow. Okay, so here you can just change the time zone according where you live. Okay. Later you're gonna have unemployment claim. Okay, so just take note of this high impact news. And tomorrow we're going to have the GBP, Euro, and GBP. And the last one they're gonna be PMIs. Okay, all here high impact news. You need to take note of you trade the those pairs. Okay. Now let we look at our lovely chart for today. Okay. What is happening with dollar? Okay, so basically the dollar, I highlight the key level since like November 20, which is yesterday. Okay, I highlight the zone here quite some time already, and now for dollar, based on H4 time frame, okay, price is at the the resistance level over here, and over here I highlight each bullish order block. You can see that price is falling here. Okay, tap in bullish order block and then bouncing. So based on H4 time frame, okay, price is just ranging for this way. So I think tonight we might already see whether price still falling or rising. But what we can see, either they want to make the M pattern falling and continue to fall, or okay, they break above and rising to the second resistance is here, which is this price. Okay, so H4 time frame dollar is just ranging or sideways. Okay, so we just take note of this first. Let me see. Okay, go ahead to Euro as well. USD also ranging. Okay, what sell here? And it's the TP, and then price bounce off from the support level, which is this number. It's still ranging, so we need to watch out for the zone. Okay. Do you think that price will go up or go down? You can use Ichimoku cloud here. You can see their price is on downtrend, right? Because they break they are below Ichimoku cloud. You can combine with RSI as well. So for the RSI, right, what we could see, either you want to come falling at least 30, right? So it's still falling. Now, it's just a basic wave here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then maybe 5 is here. Maybe somewhere around here. So just take note of that. If you want to buy at this price or this zone, which is 1.0518 right here, you need to see confirmation, or you wait for price to break below and wait for the pullback. Break below, pullback, and then you target at least first TP here. They're going to be the second support right here, which is the recent swing low on your left. Okay. If you want to use the extension for the target, you will see that could aim for 161.8, which is here. Okay. But because we're going to have high impact news, so you guys need to take note of that. Which is this price. Okay. You guys can see. So now, just wait first whether price want to break above or break below this box. They're just arranging. Okay. You see this? Okay. So if you want to sell, wait for the pullback. Break above, pullback, and then you sell. You can target here for extension 161.8. Okay. If anyone of you guys just join in, okay, you can just send me if you have any instrument or any assets you want me to have a look for you. Okay, now I finish the EUSD. Okay, talking about GBP as well. It's the same, right? GBP also ranging. You can see that based on head 4 time frame, it's still ranging here. Based on the higher time frame, it's changing momentum already, right? From bearish to bullish. We use Ichimoku cloud. Price is below Ichimoku cloud as well. So what you could see here, this is your resistance, right? You can see that. This is your resistance level. That's why price is still falling. So I think price is falling. Let me see. At least it's gonna be your first support. Okay. That will be 100% protection. Okay, meaning from here to here is 100%. Is 100% position from this. You see our this one. Okay. This one. Anywhere is my ending point and starting point. Okay, 100% here. So if you want to measure this one, it's 100%. Okay. So for GBP target first support is here. 100% position. Second support, I will put at the swing low here. This one is gonna be second resistance. Okay. Again, resistance here. First support. And second support. In the bigger pictures, we could use the extension. So my first support, do you see that is close to 127 is here. Okay, so this is gonna be our area of support level. Green. Okay. The below one is this number. Okay. That's a simple count like 3, 4, 5. To me, remember this one is retrace how many percent? 78.6, wave 2. This is a retrace about 23.6%. So we will see with the price. Gonna create this wave 2 and then continue to this extension around this price. All right, so now it's just ranging, so you can wait. Either you want to sell. Do you have any sell order? If not, you can wait to sell here for the supply zone. This zone, if price pull back up around this zone, I will give you the price. Okay. But because this long wick is not very nice, but you can wait for price to pull back and then you sell. Then you hold. Okay, with this zone. That will be if they pull back. But if you have a sell entry, you can hold. All right. Okay, I will go through all the major pair, okay, and then those commodity and indices. UJ, okay, UJ at my resistance level and it's still falling. My target at the first support. What you can see, one price go to the resistance level, you can see your price action is here. Okay, so now it's falling. Okay, so it's falling. We will target here for first support, which is we do have like a bullish order block here. Either you call bullish order block or you can call demand zone somewhere here. So the price would be, I will give you the, okay, don't change the color, okay, so you guys can see this one. And the second support, I refer to this low, should be 38.2 here for the first support. Second, first resistance, you draw people is about 78.6%, but I highlight from like the body and the wick here. Okay, and then you can see that your price action confirmation is right there. Okay, you can see that your price action and your confirmation, which is your divergent here. Okay, you see that? Okay, continue. Yes, the chef. Okay, this is yesterday I would buy like the buy zone would be here for the USD shape or target here. Okay, but I already closed my trade. They did not come to the resistance level, but you to highlight the zone, to capture the zone, the wick in the body, and then you can see price falling based on the structure. Yeah. They retrace, let's just say 50%. Wait for. So now either they're still to falling here, at least the first support still same, second support is gonna be at this price. Okay, this gonna be next resistance level. How are you gonna look for confirmation when like you see here? Okay, I moved down here a little bit, right? Do you see that if you will highlight the zone from the wick, that is going to be your support zone based on this one. Okay, this one I wait for price to like kind of go up a little bit and then it buy, but now I need to adjust the level. There's going to be your first support here. Change color. Okay. So you see here from this swing low to swing high, price did not close below. You can see that 23.6% fib level, which is your support. So I will leave it like that. And of course, the next level, what you could see here, right, you can see that the next level, meaning that it might all the way down to this level. Okay, or first TP here, and this is going to be your second TP. Okay. Resistance, lower, right here. You may capture if you want to, and then you just if you want to put the pending order, you just plus minus your spread. Okay. Okay, continue. You can as well. First resistance, break below. If this on you to be kind of may pull back support, the break below it become the overlap resistance. Gonna be second resistance here. And price break below 38.2%, we still have 61.8, and I change the zone. Now it's become your overlap resistance level, right? You can see that break below, pull back, okay, touch the second support. Now it become your first support. Okay, this zone I highlight like seen yesterday. I will draw the zone, right? When you identify the zone or the area, you should include the wick and the body, and this is gonna be your support level. Okay, you might see the bow from this zone, meaning that at least there. Now we could use Fibonacci. should be 50%, slightly 50 to 38.2. Okay, so now you can see that price, okay, reverse from 38.2%. Is this the zone? Do you see this? Okay. Do you see this bounce off because the dollar also rising? So it's just ranging. Is use this shape. Where are we just now? Okay, right here. It's still falling very strongly for the UJ. Okay. Look at which is right here. Okay, if you want to look like market structure, they make a lower low, lower high. Okay, if they want to continue to go lower, you need to break. If they break, you have a pullback, and then you continue to sell like that, right? Because they make higher high, higher low, it's a bearish. But if they want to change the momentum, okay, make an equal low here, break above from resistance, it becomes support and then continue to rise. Okay, so now it's just ranging, it's just sideways. On head for time frame. All right, Aussie, you can see that cannot break below the first support. H4 time frame is what ranging here. You can see that it's ranging. Okay, now they break above, pull back. Do you get the enter somewhere around here? They are captured where? They are captured at this wick. Okay, this is a zone, right? You can see capture the wick. If you want to highlight the zone, it's gonna be something like that. I pull back here, go to H1. Okay, what you can see that is what ranging, right? You can see consolidate here, break above, pull back. This is gonna be your buy entry, and this is your first resistance. Now you break above first, your first resistance, which is the TP, which is your overlap resistance level. Actually, if you were to buy here, we TP in here. Now you buy from here, okay, break above, pull back, TP all the way up to our second resistance. Okay, and then now it's falling. So this is gonna be our first support. Okay, second support is right here. I will remove this one. Okay, what is going on with this? Where you're going to buy or sell? Actually, this one we should sell in here. Okay, if you turn to adjust a little bit, you'll get the entry right here, which is what they have. Demand zone. Also, sorry, supply zone. Should be FIBO 61.8% fib. You see exact. I zoom for you guys to see. You can see, right? Somewhere around here, you can see that 61.8%. Right? And then it's falling. Okay. Then we continue. I just remove everything. Back to the fresh one. Go to the higher time frame. Okay. They cannot close below the daily time frame, which is where the support level is right here, the swing, right? From this one, I think daily time frame, this is the resistance level. Do you see that? The resistance level for H4 time frame. Okay, I would say I will identify my kind of like the pivot point or first support or buy entry right here. Okay, 78.6% between. Okay, 78.6% somewhere around here. Go to M15. If you want to buy now, okay, put stop loss below this swing. That RR should be more than 1 to 1. You to buy now. Target here. Sell here. I want you to take the profit is here for the overlap resistance in M15 for scalping, okay? XL we put here. So at least 1 to 1 stop loss. Okay, we will see price just now is this price, the TP and the resistance here, and this is your stop loss. Okay, we see slightly above from this level. Okay, for oil, pull back, falling. My level still the same, okay? My level for the WTI, this is the zone. Of course, the zone is quite big. What you could see here, one price come to the zone, you can wait for confirmation, visit your price action here. You were to go to M15, where your price action, your confirmation is here, right? You can see that there may be a divergence here, okay? And the bearish divergence is happened in the resistance zone, right? You can see that, and then it's they make like here, pull back here, go back up here and falling. Why they go back to this? Because they create a supply zone here. Okay, a price come to the zone and then falling. Now go in again because this is the resistance level or pullback or overlap resistance in M15. This is how you like scalping. Okay, you could aim for, if you know how to trade, at least for TP should aim for where? This support. Okay, that's gonna be your TP1 for this sell entry for M15. But let's say if you don't have a sell, right, you wait to buy at this zone. Pullback support, which is 28.166. Okay? If you to look at H4, you will look like that. You think how to enter this sell entry here. Then you will go to M15, then you will know how I enter. Okay, I already show you guys. You can see that falling TP here. What about this? Happening with gold. Okay, let me see. You want to identify the resistance level based on should be somewhere around here, right? I think that would be 50% or slightly 61.8 or 50% right here. But you want to go to H1 time frame. If you want to like count wave, if I want to count it 4 and 5. Did I teach you guys how to trade with alien wave before? Just don't worry, I just count the wave, okay? And in the bigger picture could be wave one, should be 2 here, 3, 4, and 5. In another wave, okay? Meaning that you can see that it reset at 50% for wave 2, which is gonna be wave 4. Okay, so we will sell at this zone. Okay, so you sell here, which is we consider first resistance right here. Okay, we guess that one from daily time frame. Okay, that will be 78.6. Exact 78.6%. You can see that, and then price is falling. This head for time frame. Okay, I will include the trend line. Right here. Anyone sell gold? Does anyone sell at this price? Okay. What did I give it? Okay, but you see that price is very strong uptrend here. Shall we wait for the second formation? Okay, based on M15, okay, if price seems like that I saw the price action here. Okay, so let's just see whether price will drop from this level. Maybe we look at the I sign as well. It's about 70 in head 4 time frame. Okay, H1 is already at overbought. But if you were to look in daily, still can rising even more. So price will pull back and then rise. Okay. If you sell here, if you sell at 26.72, okay. This is gonna be your TP1, which is this one, okay, which is 76.44 is your TP1. Okay. This one, okay, TP1. %, here. So you want to count. And this should be end of week 5. Okay, so we sell by the people conference level there. Okay, so TP, if you hand hold, it's here, okay? So let's say price already creates the high. Let's just use Fibonacci retracement. So slightly above 23.6%, that is gonna be your slightly before your pullback support right here in H1 time frame. Okay, so we target here back to okay, target here TP1. Change in the color, so we look the same. Okay, nice. Okay. Any question? So far, so good, guys. Okay, like I just mentioned, okay, M5 it look very lovely. There is a divergence as well. Price make a higher high. Indicator is make a lower high. Okay. Of course, for the here price might bounce around this price for M5 76.58. If you want to sell here since like 26.71 price all the way 26.58, that is about more than 100 pip. Okay, you could aim here TP1, this could be TP2, and you can see that if you want to see here, right, what you could see, you can enter another sell entry over here. Okay, our first resistance price pull back here, the higher high, you sell, pull back here, and then you have another sell, right? Higher high, divergence, break below, pull back, the neckline, target here. You have the sell here. It's about almost 90 pip. But if you were to sell sin up here, that would be more than 100 pip. Okay, this how is M5 look like. Okay. Confused? No? So far okay? Which pair you want me to have a look for you? Any pair beside this one? If you just ask me, right? For the longer, let me change the color to the orange. No. Web 3, they just said it's gonna be Web 3 maybe all the way here. We don't know yet, right? So we don't know. We have to just think if they will look like that. I enclose the line. Okay, it will look like that. All the way wave 1, 2, 3 below here. Okay, 4. Wave 4, inlet wave cannot overlap wave 1. So we need to monitor. Okay, so now you see that all the way could be right here. And wave 3 cannot be the shortest of the impulse wave, which is wave 1, wave 3, and wave 5. Should be all the way here. Then we will see that for the long term. So now we don't know. I just have to monitor. First extension that will be here. Okay, and the next one for the extension wave 161.8. So I may just leave it like that. Okay, but this is the way the zone that we sell, right? Okay, so for you guys to see, lovely. I think H1 may have a divergence as well. Not yet, but we have the divergence in M5, right? Okay, so if H1 ending with bearish engulfing, meaning the green engulf are longer than this one, they will create what? Bearish order block. They need to longer than this box. Okay, meaning ending longer than this one will have the bearish order block, and meaning this is going to be wave 2 for the bigger one, and for the sub wave gonna be like wave 5. How it count from here? Okay, wave 1, 2, 3. This is a wave 4. Okay, I think wave 4 is only retrace 23.6 or 38. It's about 23, almost 23, and then it's rising, complete wave 5. And this one, wave 3, is longer than wave 1 and wave 5. Okay, so this is okay. Okay, now falling, please falling. Do you guys sell? Continue to fall here. Okay, M30, it look lovely. This one engulf this candle. M15, this is the price action, and we see the divergence here. So have to red closing below this box, and then we will identify bearish order block in which one? Okay, we will see. Okay, see whether they want to falling. They want to fall from this zone. TP1, TP2, TP1 here, and TP2 here. Okay, we shall see. We shall see now. Now they cannot break below this zone. Okay, in H1 it's gonna be a pullback support. Okay, so that's why we'll here first for TP1, and then we need to wait for H1 candle to close the end gap, close below here. Okay, if they close below here, they create a bearish order block. Okay, break below this one, you wait to pull back this one, and then you sell again. Okay, so now we need to monitor. But for scalping in here, we already have more than 50 pips if you to sell sin all the way up. Okay. I go for Dow Jones. Okay. What's going on? Monthly. What happening monthly? If you to like using the elite wave, right? Just started to count from this swing, for example. The simple count 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now what we could use, you can use the protection or expansion, either you call. Okay, you can see that they cannot close above 78.6%, but potential they might have go to at least where 100% protection. We need to see. You can use the extension. You should use Fibonacci retracement extension 112 here. Okay, somewhere here. So you might see the pullback. Okay, it just look like, do you see that it look like here? Right, pull back here and then continue to go up. Weekly. This is the pullback support. Okay. Remove the mouse. Oh, here you may see a pullback. This one, 30.2% here. Okay. Right here, it's gonna be your first support. It's a weekly. Daily. Okay. The daily is gonna be the, yeah, right? Just refer here. Okay. All the way there. Okay, this is the, you wait for price to pull here and then you buy, okay? Go to H4. Okay, you wait to buy at this zone. Okay, so H4 time frame, this one is gonna be your first support, okay? Which is we have 61.8% right here. This is gonna be your first support in daily time frame. It's gonna be your second support for H4. Don't get confused, okay? If you were to sell, sorry, buy, this is gonna be your TP1 or first resistance, or gonna be a TP1. I based on this one. And this one gonna be second resistance, which is TP2. Okay. Okay, Bitcoin. Okay. I what about I stuck in buy entry and price falling? How to save the trade like EURAUD? Okay, let me check for you. Sorry, I did not see your message. Okay, I check for you. You're still here or not? Oh, I think he left already. By 10. Okay, another one ask me for Bitcoin. Bitcoin all-time high. Hmm. What do you think about Bitcoin? This is monthly time frame, right? Once they break above, they just fly high. Because I think a Bitcoin fly because of Trump, all right? We already know that. Okay, but based on the elite wave, let's just count. I don't like the mouse. I need to change. Potential is here for monthly time frame. It's still all the way up, okay. It's here. There's no resistance already. The price is here. Let me just put here, guys. I use the extension. They make all-time high already, right? You can see that. Okay, keep buying. That's all about more than 100K. Daily, this is the high, right? They break the high here. You can keep buying. Since when? Wednesday, November 6th. So I don't know. I doesn't mean are you to buy because it's too high already. You want to sell, you can wait at the first resistance. So there is no trade set up for me for the BTC. You just keep fly high. So okay, it look like that. Gold is rising again. Okay, so this is a BTC. This is gonna be the right. You can see that support in head 4 time frame. Break above, right? Head 4 time frame here. The wick break above, pull back, buy up. You see H1. How is H1 look like? It will look like this. So the first in H1 time frame, this is gonna be second support. So I don't have a trade sell for BTC because it's rising. Okay, you want to buy it too high already. You want to sell also, it's not sure whether price will reverse from this, so we have to wait. Okay. Okay, before I end the webinars, go. It seems like they are go back up again, right? They cannot. If H1 time frame, okay, only like M30 anyway in gap, but you can see there a lot of buying pressure here. So price might go all the way up to the 2672 again right there. Okay, so you can see H1. So if H1 close like that, meaning maybe the next candle might be like rising. Okay, so just now price is falling from this one to all the way here. It's about 80 pip, let's say. Okay, if you close, you can like earn more than 50 pip. Okay, you can see go back up again. Our monitor based on M15 meter price will fall from this zone. If not, then I will monitor the first resistance on top right there. Okay. Okay, guys. That should be end of today. Okay, thank you so much for your time, guys. I will see you guys again in the next webinars. Okay, take care. Happy trading. Bye for now, guys.